Hi everyone, today's song is especially for all those Everly Brothers fans out there. And in 1984, Paul McCartney, having always loved the Everlys, wrote and played on this song, and it was produced by Dave Edmunds. It became the biggest hit the Everlys had in over 15 years. So along with my identical twin brother, are we ready? Yes, we're ready. We're on the wings of a nightingale. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I love, I get a feeling like I'm traveling through the sky on the wings of a nightingale. As I ride, my head is reeling, but I don't even wonder why. On the wings of a nightingale I'll fly, high above land and sea. I'll be thinking of you and me. Couldn't ask for a better place to be. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening to me. So my hand, I got a feeling that the journey has just begun. On the wings of a nightingale. And if you like, we'll fly together to the land of eternal sun. On the wings of a nightingale of love, high above land and sea. I'll be thinking of you and me. Couldn't ask for a better place to be. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening to me. When I love, I got a feeling like I'm traveling through the sky on the wings of a nightingale. On the wings of a